Okay, hello. We're going to model for you how a breakout room can be used while the main room is silent. So I have my amazing participants here, and they're going to help with showing how this works. So the first thing I'm going to do is share my content, which is just a screen for anyone who is not coming to the small group for some instructions. And I'm going to share that. And then I'm going to go over to settings and switch off the audio, video, and chat. That disables all of these for anyone who is, or actually the whiteboard too. Anyone who is in the main room will no longer have these features. Then I start the breakout. I keep whoever is going to be in the main room in there, and then I can assign who is coming with me for the group. I'm not going to use a second group, so I can delete that, and I get started. Okay, now in the breakout group, you can see that Zach still has his video and his audio, and we also have chat within our group 1. All right, now if I have additional content that I want to share, I can share files that do not disrupt the main room. So if I wanted to share this, Amy, who is in the main room, will not see what I'm presenting now. Okay. All right, once we're done with our group, I can go back and end the breakout. Not sure what that was. All right, now that I'm back in the main room, remember the settings are also now still no audio, video, chat, so I have to turn that back on when I bring the group back together. And I can get the directions off and come back as a group. Okay.